for him to pop a wheelie. There you go. I think he just has too much fun doing them wheelies, if I'm honest with you guys. I think he's doing it on purpose. So far no luck. I think he's bent one of the pins in the bucket now. I mean look, it's getting there. She really is rooted in. Yeah, Bob. Oh. Blimey. Nearly. Look, I wish I could show you in the cab right now. He's got a massive smile on his face. Even I have to be honest, it's quite funny just watching him. He's like at a gradient with the wheels. So yeah, he's enjoying himself. Getting there. As you can see, all the roots mostly pulling out now. But there we go. Oh, he's nearly got it. Hopefully they'll have it on the next one. I reckon that's a nice angle for this. Hopefully he gets it on this one. It needs to come under, a bit lower down. Lower, under that branch there. Go lower, under that one there. Come in under that one there. Come in under that branch. Come in under the branch that you can't see. Look, lower it. Go down a bit. Yeah, now come in, go on. Nearly. Nearly. Here we go. She's coming. Oh, she's big. Now he's got to get right under it. Go right under it. There we go. Come on. Blimey. Oh no. Oh, he's got a big grin on him. Go on, Rambo. Go on, Rambo. Uh-oh. He's got to be careful it don't come back on him. What he's probably wanting to do is get it on its side and then he'll chainsaw. There we go. And then what he'll do is he'll probably chainsaw some of them stumps. Oh, now he's stuck. Diff lock time. Nope, or not. He's out. Well, there we go. Have a look at this then. So, quite a few roots coming off of that, weren't there? There's one way of doing it. Using a customised transport box into a bucket just to go absolutely Rambo on her. Yeah. That's good going, that. The only issue is he's put it right on our track through, so he's going to have to give her a shunt anyway. I reckon that's what he's going to do now, give it a bit of a shunt. So Dad's just chainsawing some of the logs off. He's having a bit of a struggle there because they're quite big logs. Right guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit a comment down below there. Thanks for watching guys, and take care.